Hello students, let's start our next topic of human reproduction chapter. Today we will discuss about a very important topic of this chapter. We will discuss about reproductive cycle in the case of humans, and this reproductive cycle is known as menstruation cycle. So today we will discuss about menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle. It is very important topic. It is very important topic according to your exams. So try to be understand it very carefully. This is the reproductive cycle which is present in the case of human female. It is present only in the case of human female, and this cycle is observed in the case of primates. If we talk about the primates and non-primates, in the case of primates like monkeys, apes and human beings, this cycle is observed in the primates. Like we can say that this cycle is present only in the case of primates, but in case of non-primates, this kind of cycle is known as estrous cycle. But in case of primates, it's known as menstruation cycle. So we can say it's found in apes, monkeys, and human beings. So we can observe that it is in such kind of animals, or we can say that it is the characteristic feature of the primates. If we talk about that, what is the menstruation cycle? क्या होता है menstruation cycle? Menstruation cycle is the changes that takes place in the human female in its body, so that the body can be prepared to receive the sperm, and after that the fertilization process takes place, and then if the fertilization happens, then pregnancy and implantation. We will say that this is the cyclic event in which body get prepared for all these events, for receiving sperms, fertilization and for pregnancy. So we can say that this is the preparation, and it prepare the body of human female. This is only in the case of female. So we can say this is in the this cycle prepare the female body of female for receiving sperm, or we can say for fertilization, because when sperm will come inside the body, the fertilization will take place for fertilization and pregnancy. यहाँ पे अगर pregnancy हो जाएगी तो after pregnancy after pregnancy, when baby will come out, after that also this cycle will show some different changes. We will discuss about this also. So we can say that it prepares the body of the human female, or in the case of primates also, it prepares the body of female for the fertilization and for pregnancy. And this is the cycle which is out. We are using the word cycle. Cycle means because it's a cyclic event which takes place in a proper days. And the event, this event repeats or completes in 28 days. Completes in 28 days. All these things or these changes we are talking about, हमें जो बातें कर रहे हैं, जो preparation हो रही है body के अंदर, these all events takes place at a regular interval, and this time period is known as 28 days. It's not means we can say that is fixed amount. ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि फिक्स होंगे days. These days can be plus or minus 3-4 days in each females. It depends on their hormonal level or their stress condition and etc. So it's not fixed, but almost we can say that the cyclic events repeats after 48 days. 28 days sorry. 28 days का cyclic event होता है. It's almost about the 1 month, and the month इसी वजह से जो menstruation cycle है, the word mensum, that word comes from the mensum word, which means the 1 month. That's why it is known as menstruation cycle. In this menstruation cycle, what happens that where the body is getting to be prepared, and this preparation starts at the age of puberty. ये start होता है पूरा cyclic event at the age of puberty. When the girl reaches its puberty age, then this cycle gets started, and is at this time when this cycle gets started at the puberty age, this condition is known as menarche. This is known as menarche. So we can say that the first menopause, when it starts at the age of puberty, it's known as menarche, and it stops at the age of 50 to 52 years. तो 50 to 52 ईयर्स की एज तक जब फीमेल पहुंच जाती है, उस एज तक जाके दिस साइक्लिक इवेंट्स गेट स्टॉप्ड। जो मेंस्ट्रुएशन साइकिल है, दिस साइकिल गेट स्टॉप, इट स्टॉप्स at 50 to 52 years of female, and at that condition we call this stage as menopause. We call it menopause. This menopause is the permanent stoppage of the menstrual cycle. Besides this menopause, this cycle also gets suspended. यहाँ पे तो हम permanent stoppage की बात कर रहे हैं at the age of 50 to 52 years. But ये menstrual cycle जो है ये in between इस puberty और menopause के बीच में भी कुछ टाइम के लिए सस्पेंडेड रहता है, यानी कि रुका रहता है। वो कौन सी कंडीशन होती है उसके बारे में देखते हैं। इट्स सस्पेंडेड, वी कैन से इट्स सस्पेंडेड, और ये शॉर्ट टाइम के लिए होगा, इट्स नॉट अ परमानेंट स्टॉपेज। इट गेट्स सस्पेंडेड एट द टाइम ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी, एट द टाइम ऑफ प्रेगनेंसी। ये प्रेगनेंसी के टाइम पे, प्रेगनेंसी and lactation period. So these are the two conditions at that time the menstruation cycle gets suspended. Lactation period, when sperms enter and it get fertilized with the egg and it results in the formation of zygote. That zygote get implanted into the uterus of the female body, and this condition is known as pregnancy. जब pregnancy हो जाती है उस टाइम पे menstruation cycle जो है वो suspended रहेगा. Reason is that कि even when the one fetus is growing inside the female womb, then there is no need for the development of another egg. That's why that at that time menstruation cycle gets suspended, and after the parturition means जब baby बाहर आ गया है and the lactation will start, जब mammary gland milk formation start कर देती हैं, at that time also the menstruation cycle gets suspended during, and that period is known as lactation period. So this is the period when mammary glands are forming milk. So this at these two stages the menstruation cycle also gets suspended, which is the pregnancy period and the lactation period. So now let's see what happens during these phase, stop. We are talking about the menopause. What is the menopause? We already discussed that menopause is the permanent stoppage of the menstruation cycle. जब menstruation cycle permanently stop हो रहा है उस phase को हम menopause कह रहे हैं. There at that time some events or some changes occurs in the female body. Also we will discuss the changes which occur during menopause. Menopause के time पे क्या क्या चेंजेस जो है वो फीमेल बॉडी के अंदर होते हैं, हम उसके बारे में बात करते हैं. चेंजिंग ड्यूरिंग मेनोपॉज. फर्स्ट थिंग यू नीड टू नो दैट व्हाई द मेनोपॉज अकर. क्यों मेनोपॉज होता है? Menopause occur because of the lower level of estrogen hormone. In the human female ovaries are forming the estrogen hormone. At this age of menopause, that estrogen levels become almost zero in the case of female body, and that phase is menopause. After that, that menstruation cycle completely stops. So we can say at this stage of menopause, the estrogen, this is the hormone which is formed by the ovary, the estrogen levels get decrease. एस्ट्रोजन लेवल जो होगा वो डिक्रीज हो जाता है at the time of menopause. Second thing that the female faces during the menopause, it's the hot flushes. Hot flushes यहाँ पे होते हैं. Hot flushes is that sudden heats get felt by the females at the age of menopause. ये जो हम symptoms या जो हम changes discuss कर रहे हैं, these are not ऐसा नहीं हो सकता कि हर एक फीमेल के अंदर सेम काइंड के सिम्टम्स या चेंजेस नजर आए. सम फीमेल्स फेसेस सच काइंड ऑफ changes during the menopause stage. So this is the hot flushes, which is the heat is produced and this heat is get filled in the body. Next thing that is faced during that is mood swings, because this is the phase at which the level of the hormones are get changed. Due to the changes of the hormones levels, the moods get swing. यानी कि यहाँ पे मूड के अंदर भी चेंजेस आते हैं क्योंकि हार्मोनल इवेंट है. हार्मोन का इफेक्ट जो होगा वो बॉडी के अंदर पड़ता है, जिसकी वजह से मूड में भी चेंजेस आएंगे. And now important thing, I want to tell you a very important thing, that estrogen, which is the male hormone, it's also secreted in some amount in the case of female also, but the effect of the testosterone gets stopped or it's get suppressed by the estrogen hormone or ovarian hormone. ये estrogen female में होगा, but फिर भी जो ovarian hormone है वो testosterone को अपना effect show नहीं करने देती. But when At the stage of menopause, the level of estrogen become almost zero. जब estrogen पूरी तरीके से zero हो चुका है, at that time now testosterone shows its effects, and due to the effect of testosterone hormone की वजह से यहाँ पे फीमेल्स के अंदर कुछ मैनली चेंजेस नजर आने शुरू हो जाते हैं, लाइक they will be have hair on their body or increased hair growth, we can say, like on the faces and other body parts. So here are become more, hair are more, तो hair growth जो होगी वो show होगी due to the effect of testosterone hormone. So these are the some changes which are faces during the menopause stage by some females. Now let's see, this is the cyclic event, and in this cyclic event is divided into some phases. We divide this menstruation cycle into 4 phases so that we can easily understand what changes occur in the ovaries, in the uterus, and in the case of hormones which are formed by the anterior lobes of the pituitary. So on the basis we have divided this menstruation cycle in phases. Let's see what are the phases of this menstruation cycle. The first phase of the menstruation cycle is known as menstruation phase. First phase is menstruation phase or menstrual phase. Menstrual phase. This is the phase which is from this is the phase when the menstruation cycle begins, or this is the phase when the menstruation is begins. जब menstruation start हो रहा है वहां से हम phases को count कर रहे हैं. तो ये first day है menstruation की, जहां से ये phases start हो रही है, and it lasts for 3 to 4 days or 4 to 5 days. It also depends on the female to female. So we can say 3 to 4 days की phase होती है जब menstruation start होता है बॉडी के अंदर. दिस इज द फेज एट विच टाइम द इनर लाइनिंग ऑफ यूट्रस गेट डैमेज. इनर लाइनिंग जो है वो डैमेज होगी और अनफर्टिलाइज्ड एग के साथ विजाइना के थ्रू ब्लड के साथ डिस्चार्ज स्टार्ट हो जाता है. सो दिस इज द मेंस्ट्रुएशन फेज. इट्स लास्ट फॉर 3 to 4 days in the case of female. Second phase of the menstruation cycle is known as follicular phase. It's a follicular phase. Proliferative phase is also it is called, क्योंकि proliferation यहाँ पे होगा after the degeneration of the inner lining of uterus. अब uterus अपने आप को फिर से repair करने की कोशिश करता है. The repairing process gets started and new follicles start forming inside the ovary. Ovary के अंदर भी follicles बनने शुरू होंगे. uterus भी अपने आप को फिर से repair करेगा इस phase के अंदर. इस वजह से ये जो phase है ये कहलाती है follicular phase और proliferative phase. This phase is the phase in which the repairing process gets started, and this phase lasts for the 10 to 12 days. ये जो phase होती है वो 10 to 12 days तक चलती है menstruation एक month के अंदर in the cyclic event, in the menstruation cycle. Third phase of the menstruation cycle or menstruation is known as ovulation. This third phase is the ovulation. Ovulation is the phase which occurs at the means if we discuss about a perfect menstruation cycle, at that day in the perfect menstruation cycle the ovulation occur at the 14th day of the menstruation. जो ovulation होगा वो exactly 14 day पे होता है, but it's not permanent in all females. It get be before or after the 14 days, but in a perfect it happens at the 14th day of the menstruation, and this is the phase in which the Graafian follicle get ruptured and they release the secondary oocyte from the ovary. So this phase is known as ovulation phase, which occur at the 14th day of the menstruation cycle. Now fourth phase is known as after the release of secondary oocyte, Graafian follicle get ruptured. ये हम देख चुके हैं ओवरी की जब हमने स्ट्रक्चर देखी थी इंटरनल. उसके बाद after the degeneration of the Graafian follicle or after the rupturing of the Graafian follicle, it forms a structure which is known as carpus luteum. So carpus luteum is get formed after the ovulation, and this carpus luteum secretes hormones, and the hormone which is secreted by carpus luteum is progesterone hormone. So this phase is related with the formation of corpus luteum and its secretory function. That's why this phase is known as luteal phase. इस phase को हम बोलते हैं luteal phase. So last phase of the menstruation cycle is the luteal phase, and it depends when the ovulation occur. अगर ओव्यूलेशन 14 डे पे हो रहा है तो ल्यूटियल फेज जो होगी वो स्टार्ट होगी फ्रॉम 15 डेज से. इट स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम 15 डेज टू 28 डेज. लास्ट का कंप्लीट मंथ तक ये पूरी फेज रहेगी. सो अगर ओव्यूलेशन 16 डे पे हो रहा है तो यहाँ पे हम 17 डेज इसको काउंट करके चलेंगे, बट इफ द ओव्यूलेशन अकर एट 14 डेज देन luteal phase will start from 15 to 28 days, ये इतने टाइम तक की रहेगी, एंड आफ्टर दैट अगेन this phase will come, that the menstruation phase. It will repeat the first phase because it's a cyclic event, so all these phases will repeat it one after another. So these are the four phases: menstruation phase, follicular phase or proliferative phase, third is ovulation phase, and fourth one is the luteal phase. Now we have to discuss all these phases in very detail because it's very important part of your syllabus, and with this we will discuss what changes occur during these phases inside the ovary or inside the uterus and in the hormone level of ovary and pituitary gland. So in the next video we will draw a diagram to show the complete representation of all the changes that occur in all these phases. So keep watching, keep studying and keep learning. Thank you.